Hi, Hamsafar fans. The drama fans are back. We were missing in action last week, but we're back this week and we'll be recapping episode 15 for you guys.
And also Palak's back because she's done her exams. Yay! Hi.
Okay, so what did you guys think of the episode?
I think it was like a lot happened in it compared to the past couple of episodes.
I think only the confrontations were like the big things that happened in it. I was expecting actually a little bit more to happen. Again, it was still really good. सबकी acting बहुत अच्छी थी तो मुझे अच्छा लगा.
Yeah, and there was like more than one confrontation, so I liked that.
हाँ मुझे भी अच्छा लगा कि उनकी आई थिंक 2 दफ़ा उनका आमना सामना हुआ और अच्छी खासी बातचीत हुई सो अच्छा आई मीन थोड़ा मतलब सुकून आया कि ये इतने हफ्ते से वेट कर रहे थे लेकिन अब फाइनली इट्स गुड. ओके सो द एपिसोड स्टार्ट्स ऑफ विद खिरत जो उसके ऑफिस पहुंच जाती है और वो उससे मुतालबा कर रही होती है कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए अपनी बेटी के लिए, वो आपकी बेटी है दिस एंड दैट. सो आई वाज रियली लाइक सरप्राइज कि like Usher का जो attitude था, I didn't think he'd be that rude to her.
वही ना, मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया था उसके ऊपर.
मुझे भी like overall episode देख के I was like really upset. Like afterwards I was like, oh my god, I can't believe Usher इतने like बुरी तरह उसको treat कर रहा है. like उसको बोलता है कि तुम मेरे ऑफिस से निकल जाओ, मेरे पास तुम्हारी बकवास सुनने का टाइम नहीं है, तुम अपनी बेगैरती अगर नहीं अपनी
उसने कहा था इतनी बेगैरती दिखा चुकी हो तो बोलो क्या बात है.
Yeah, oh my god, I was like, holy smokes. लेकिन फवाद खान की एक्टिंग उस पार्ट में बहुत अच्छी थी. With all of his emotions and stuff showing on his face and like him getting angry. उसने बहुत ज़बरदस्त एक्टिंग की थी. लोगों को खिरत की एक्टिंग उस पार्ट में इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी because they thought she was too flat or whatever. Like, मेरा ख्याल में उसने अच्छी की थी because उसको दिखाया था कि like first of all उसने इतनी हिम्मत करके उसके ऑफिस गई और फिर she just wants to get straight to the point. उसने like she doesn't want to show any emotions or show him that she's weak or whatever.
Yeah, and if you notice, like दोनों बार जब भी वो मिले, she had like a straight face, even though she had a lot to say. मतलब
exactly.
ने अपना गुस्सा नहीं दिखाया, and that makes Usher look like the bad one. Yeah, I think she was being the bigger person because she was doing that for her daughter, so she had to stay straight.
Yeah, so उन्होंने मतलब अच्छा ही दिखाया कि उसने स्ट्रेट फेस रखा, लाइक रोने धोने नहीं बैठ गई, कुछ उल्टा गुस्सा नहीं कर रही. उसकी मतलब लोगों को ये भी उलझन हो रही थी कि उसको इतनी बेइज्जत करता, उसको जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया उसको. लेकिन I guess that's the kind of person she's shown कि like चुपचाप होके she just wants to get whatever done, right?
Yeah, okay, she doesn't want to bring up the past, whatever happened. वो सिर्फ अपनी बेटी के लिए गई थी, and that's it, like straight to the point.
Yeah.
It's also because she knows that she's right. तो उसको जोर से चिल्लाने की जरूरत.
Yeah, it's true. उसके बाद दिखाया था कि खिरत वापस घर जाती है, अपनी दोस्त से बात करी होती है कि उसको यकीन नहीं आ रहा कि she went to his office. ने हालांकि अपने आप से वादा किया था that she wouldn't see his face ever again. लेकिन बेचारी इतनी मजबूर हो गई है अब कि she had to go ask money, like उस भीख मांगने गई थी बेचारा. It was pretty sad. उसको कितना helpless दिखाया है.
And this is the same friend that came to her house like once before, right?
Yeah, Afshin.
Afshin.
Yeah, and then उसका वो भी दिखा रहे होते हैं कि बतूल खां से कह रही होती है कि मेरी आजमाइशें कब ख़त्म होंगी, like it's one thing after another. So that was pretty sad too, but I guess that's how life is, right?
Yeah.
And then फिर दिखाते हैं कि अशर वो जो तस्वीर उसको देती है ना खैर, वो फिर बाद में देख रहा होता है अपने ऑफिस में.
So I don't know. He kind of smiled a little bit.
Exactly. That was my favorite part. Like I don't know how he did that. वो like दिखा रहे थे उसके मुंह पे frown होती है and then he's looking at the picture और हल्की सी उस पे smile होती है. It's like he did a really good job, like conveying that to us. It was really good, yeah. So I like that part. So लगा था कि उसमें उसके दिल में बच्ची के लिए प्यार है and like I'm surprised कि उतनी जल्दी मान गया कि वो सच में उसकी बेटी है.
तो उसने proof भी तो इतना solid दिया था.
I know, but अगर उसको नहीं believe करना था तो he could have came up with some crazy, I don't know, justification in his head कि नहीं है मेरी बेटी.
So fatherly instincts होंगे कि उसकी की बेटी है.
I know. और फिर दिखाते हैं कि Khalid is having flashbacks उसकी बेटी को, how she was diagnosed and whatever. So I'm glad कि उन्होंने वो part छोटा रखा था, even though मुझे थोड़ा लंबा लगा. I was like, just cut it down. I don't care.
एक के बाद एक और flashback आता जा रहा था.
But फिर भी they could have made longer. शुक्र उन्होंने ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं किया.
और अच्छा हुआ इसी एपिसोड में क्लियर कर दिया सारी स्टोरी.
Yeah. और फिर दिखाते हैं कि अशर उसको 4 दिन तक कांटेक्ट नहीं करता, like after she goes to his office. I was really surprised कि like उसको पता ही चला कि उसकी बेटी है. He लग रहा था कि he would do something. लेकिन 4 दिन तक चुप बैठा रहा. And the only reason he ran into her was like coincidence, like इत्तेफाक से उनसे he ran into his daughter at the hospital.
I think वो अपनी मदर का लीव करने का वेट कर रहा होगा.
I guess.
But eventually go back to look for for us.
I don't know. I think he would have taken way too long because उसने खैर ने बोला भी था कि मेरी बेटी पास इतना time नहीं है. So you know that kind of shows the urgency के you know इतनी देर नहीं लगानी. But he's taking his sweet time. So I didn't like
Maybe
that
उस वक्त शायद उसको कोई doubt हो, but when he actually saw her
Yeah.
and she hugged him, then you could like tell that.
I know लेकिन the thing is कि वो नहीं पहचाना अपनी बेटी को, बेटी पहचान गई.
हालांकि उसने 4 दिन पहले पिक्चर देखी.
Yeah, so I can understand that like okay why he उसने सब तस्वीर देखी थी and like you know I guess he didn't even expect कि वो उसको बेटी उसको like all of a sudden मिल जाएगी, कहीं नजर आ जाएगी. लेकिन बच्ची I guess she's been seeing his picture probably in her entire life for the past 4 years. उसको पहचान गई थी कि वो तस्वीर वाले पापा हैं. That was so cute, बेचारी बच्ची.
I know, and the way she hugged him.
I know. जिन लोगों ने novel पढ़ा है उन्होंने कहा था कि this scene wasn't done very well. They could have shown a lot more because it was supposed to be like a huge thing.
I think it was pretty realistic, except for the fact कि वो बच्ची बॉल के साथ हॉस्पिटल में क्या कर रही थी.
अरे भाई बच्ची को बहलाने के लिए बॉल ले आए उनके साथ. Yeah.
That वो तो ठीक है लेकिन वो बाहर खुद भी आ गई हॉस्पिटल के.
I know. वो उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो दिखाना ही था. फिर बिल्कुल एंड में दिखाते हैं कि खिलत और अर्शा का एक और confrontation होता है. And he's upset with her for hiding his daughter for these 4 years.
That made me mad.
That made me mad too. I'm like, just shut up already. Like, हर चीज़ वो उल्टा करके उसकी तरफ कर रहा है. Like, he's blaming her for everything.
Like, she tried to call him?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm glad you brought up that point because like he's not thinking that she actually tried to get in touch with him, but he was the one who kept hanging up on her.
But Kirat would tell कि उसकी माँ को पता था लेकिन उसने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
I think she just doesn't care anymore. She's like, whatever happened. She just wants to get her daughter well and that's it. I don't think she cares much about getting like clearing things up with him. I think eventually तो obviously हो ही जाएगा, but like for now she's just very concerned about her daughter. और फिर like उसको इतनी बुरी चीजें कह रहा होता है कि तुम्हारी नीचपनी कोई हद भी है. Like I was like
मर गया पता नहीं क्या क्या.
तुम्हारे अंदर ज़मीर नाम की कोई चीज है भी या नहीं. And then he tells her that he hates her. I was just
ironic. I mean, we're thinking that about him.
Exactly. I can't believe people can be so blind and like just I don't know. Like after this episode, I was really upset with his behavior. But I still like Fawad Khan, so yeah. Anyways. फिर episode 16 का दिखाते हैं कि he takes Hareem home. और इत्तेफाक से खिरत भी उनके साथ होती है. So I wanna know how she agreed to go back too.
Maybe because she's like
बच्ची को जैसे
नहीं ले जाने दूंगी तुम्हें, like what's going on, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go with you.
Yeah, और दिखाते हैं कि वो जो प्रोमो में दिखाता है कि वो when he उसकी गोद में होती है उसकी बेटी and he's really happy. Like that seemed like he accepts that she's his daughter and all of that. लेकिन I guess main twist जब आएगा कि जब उसकी अम्मी वापस घर आएंगी.
शक्ल देखने वाली होगी फरीदा आंटी की.
Because remember she said कि फरीदा से बोलती है खिरत when she kicked her out कि अगर तुम प्रूव कर दो कि ये बच्ची अशर की है तो उस दिन तुम जीत जाओगी और मैं हार जाऊंगी. You remember that?
I don't expect her to live by her word.
Yeah, I don't either. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to see क्या होगा.
I guess they're gonna save that for the next episode, maybe.
Yeah, सिर्फ 6 episodes रहती हैं.
Oh, really? तुम्हें किसने बताया?
It's 21 episodes.
No.
Yes, और हम 15 पे पहुंच गए.
No. What are we gonna do on Saturday night now?
No, वो नया ड्रामा आएगा है ना?
हमसफर तो नहीं होगा ना?
हमसफर नहीं होगा.
Nadia, you want to tell the audience how crazy you went over for Fawad Khan
no.
live Jago Pakistan show?
No. Okay, so the Humsafar cast was all on Jago Pakistan Jago, so I actually stayed up. I watched it live on.
And Nadia texted me, so I watched it.
I even tried calling on the show from the international phone number, but my call didn't go through, obviously. But I really enjoyed the show. I really liked how Fawad Khan was really humble. He seemed very down to earth. और बाकी cast.
तारीफें खत्म नहीं हो रही थी फवाद खान के बारे में.
Yep, and that's it. So this was the last episode for 2011 for Humsafar, and we'll have to wait until next year for the next episode.
I just want to wish everybody a very happy new year.
Okay, so that's it, guys. Bye.